look what we have here. LEXUS RX 450H, a hybrid. It's a nice car, and we are gonna do this bumper here. I just prime it down, and now we're gonna mask it up and then spray it. Okay, now we have car masked, and now we're gonna start to spray this three-way color, which is included actually base coat, and one of them is solid white and the other one is white pearl, which you are putting over the top of this solid, and finally it's gonna make this fancy pearl look. So it's already done. Look at the nice pearl fancy view or look. It's nice and shiny. Okay guys, so now you see how I just blend it up to here. See, little edge here, and I'm gonna have to polish that blend to make it look original. And I'm gonna use these 3M sandpapers and Trizax 1000 and 3000 and 3M water dry papers 1500 and 2000. Don't be cheap at these. It's always better to pay more money and get better quality than save your money at the bad products. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Trizac 1000 to cut down the biggest dust and blends. And when you finished, the next step is dry M1500. You are continuing with this water paper, and again you have to smooth the surface as much as you can. You have to do it properly, because otherwise you will see scratches in the paint afterwards. Okay, and now finally, when you finish with 1500, you move to next step, which is water sanding with dry M2000, and we will try to make an even surface again, all with 2000. And all of it. And you have to still put the water. Just to make sure you are not gonna scratch the new paint. Finally, we will see outside how it comes, or how it came. We are gonna see the outside, the color, if it's matching or not. The guy is going to be pretty nervous. It's a new car, so it should better match. It should be matching. It should be matching. Put on some protection, the protective thing, to make sure my pants are clean all the time. And we moved to very last step, which is polishing. I'm gonna use this buffer solid and this polish compound, which is by Dry M. We are gonna wash the car, wipe it on, and let's have a look, see how it looks outside. Look how it came out. It looks wonderful.